Alright, so yet another way we'll be required to simplify, and that's simplifying algebraic fractions. So the nice thing is, once you have fractions, fractions will always be treated the same. So here I have x over 2 plus x over 5, and I want to simplify it. Before I get to that, let me just quickly recap fractions. So if I had a half plus 2/3, the first thing we will do with fractions is check if the bottom numbers are the same once we adding or subtracting. And if they're not the same, we make them the same by finding the LCM, and the easiest way to get the LCM is just multiply the two numbers together. So 2 by 3, I'm going to get 6 is the addition. I change this from 2 to 6. What I need to do that to change it to 6, I multiply it by 3. So whatever you do the bottom, you do the top. 1 times 3, so 3 out of 6 is really a half. Same thing on this side. I want to change 3 to 6. So what I need to multiply 3 by to get 6, 3 into 6, 2. So 3 by 2, 6. I do the same thing to the top. 2 by 2, 4. And my answer is 3 add 4, 7 over 6. Working going to be very similar here. I have two fractions, adding them, the bottom number different. So the first thing I have to do is make them the same by finding the LCM. LCM of 2 and 5. 2 by 5, the easiest way to get the LCM is just to multiply it together. 2 by 5, 10. So I want to change this to 10 now. So what I need to multiply 2 by to make it 10, I'm going to multiply it by 5. So 5 by 2 satisfying the bottom part, which is 10, but I have to do the same thing to the top. So because I multiply the bottom by 5, the top I have to multiply by 5. 5 by x, going to get my 5x. Same thing on this side. I need to change that 5 to 10. So to change it to 10, 5 times 2 is 10. You realize it'll always be different numbers there. So because I multiply here by 5, I can't multiply here by 5 because that means it'll be the same. So 5 by 2 is 10. So the top part to multiply by 2. 2 by x, 2x. And after that part is to group up 5x plus 2x, 7x over 10. That's it. Same idea for the second one. You realize again a little more complicated, and it could get even more complicated with signs later on. Two fractions, no matter what the fractions look like, that's a fraction, that's the next fraction. So the LCM are 3 and 4 because the adding going to be 12. And there's addition I'm doing. So I need to change this to 12. So 4 by 3 is 12. So that means the top part to multiply by 4 as well. But since it's two pieces, I'm going to put it in brackets to let me know that each piece in there have to multiply by 4, and I'll work that out later just to show you how to look like one of the earlier ones that we did. Same thing here. I need to multiply this by 3 to make it 12, so that means this has to multiply by 3 as well. Both of the pieces, that's why I put it in brackets. So we're going to end up with, we normally put the number in front, so we can put the number in front. Doesn't matter the order for multiplying. So you realize this looking similar to this now. The only difference is I have a 12 at the bottom, and the 12 going to stay there for the rest of the question, but the top going to be just like what we did here. So expand your brackets. 4 times x, 4x, 4 times 1, 4. I expand the left hand side of the top piece already, plus 3 by x, 3x, 3 by 2, 6, all over 12, because the 12 is not going to go away now. And same thing here now. I have to group up the pieces that are the same. So I have 4x plus 3x, those are my x terms to give me 7x, and I have plus 4 plus 6, which is plus 10, all over the LCM of 12, and that's what this simplify to. So simplify means make simple. I start off with two fractions, I combine everything, and it end up as one fraction. And later on, sign's going to change and stuff, but it will be something similar to what we was doing before. It's just we have the fractional component with the LCM now.